Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Sunday, November 10th, 2019. On November 8th, satellite data from the Cleveland volcano in Alaska suggests that lava effusion may have begun in the summit crater, prompting the aviation color code to be raised to orange and the alert level to watch. Steaming and highly elevated surface temperatures consistent with lava at the surface has also been observed. Future explosions are likely, as the presence of a lava dome in the summit crater may increase the possibility. The remote Barren Island volcano has entered a new eruptive phase since October 23rd, after a relatively calm period during the summer months with little to no activity. Satellite imagery shows frequent thermal signals and ash plumes, indicating that activity has been taking place at the central cone of the only active volcano in India. On the 7th, there was a magnitude 6.1 earthquake in northwestern Iran at a depth of 10 kilometers, killing at least 5 people, injuring over 350, and damaging over 500 houses and buildings. On the 8th, there was a deep magnitude 6.5 in the Fiji Islands at a depth of 580 kilometers. An exceptionally active earthquake swarm is ongoing near Saviz, north of Sion, Switzerland, which began on November 4th. According to the Swiss Seismological Service, such an accumulation of earthquakes is very unusual for Switzerland. More than 100 quakes have already been recorded, 12 of them reaching magnitude 2.5 or higher. Officials will continue to closely monitor the activity. Devastating wildfires continue to burn in New South Wales and Queensland, Australia, since November 4th. So far, 3 people have died, 5 are missing, 40 have been injured, and more than 150 properties have been destroyed. There are now nearly 100 fires burning, and 43 are still uncontained. Local residents are describing the scenes as apocalyptic, as there is still no end in sight. In the past 2 months, at least 105 elephants have died in Zimbabwe's wildlife reserves due to the worst drought in decades. Most of the animals were in Mana and Hwange National Parks. Many desperate animals are straying from the parks into nearby communities in search of food and water. Nearly 11 million people have been affected in 9 countries in the region, which has experienced normal rainfall in only one of the past 5 growing seasons. Before that, the region would get up to 24 inches of rain per year, which has now been cut in half. This has resulted in insufficient natural vegetation, which is a food source for the animals. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. Are you tired of using soap loaded with chemicals and fragrances? Check out Hero Soap Company. Their soaps contain natural ingredients that are handcrafted and infused with the finest essential oils and pumice for a true clean. Hero Soap Company is veteran-owned, and a portion of Hero Company sales will be donated to charities that help veterans, police, and fire rescue. Memberships start as low as $4.99 a month, and you can have your soap delivered directly to your door. Use promo code FORBIDDEN to get 12% off. That's Hero Soap Company.